that they may know you, the Father, the only true God. Pag sinabi ko, you are the only non-Muslim, meron pa bang ibang non-Muslim? Wala na. Ikaw lang yun, nag-iisa. So anong sinabi ni Jesus? Sino ang only true God? Totoong Diyos ha? Who is the only true God? According to Jesus? The Father. So, sabi mo kanina, you would like to follow Jesus. Sabi ni Jesus, to attain eternal life, you need to pray to the only true God. Merong isang true God na pinadala niya si Jesus Christ. So anong tawag doon sa mga pinapadala ng Diyos? For example, si Moses, pinadala ng Diyos. Anong tawag kay Moses? Prophet, correct? So si Jesus mismo, sarili niyang salita, according to the Bible, kung gusto mong makamit ang buhay na walang hanggan, kilalanin mo nag-iisang Diyos at siya bilang sinugo ng nag-iisang Diyos. And that's what I want you to think about. So sabi mo kanina, if you are truthful to yourself, you said that you want to follow Jesus. Jesus said, to have eternal life, you need to know the only true God. And know Him, acknowledge Him as someone who was sent by the only true God, not as God Himself.